I make $1,000 a month selling my backyard vegetables. I started a small garden in my backyard. A little time each day has turned into something amazing. I grow tomatoes, cucumbers, and greens. All organic, chemical-free, and pesticide-free. I water every morning. I weed and loosen the soil weekly. A little maintenance pays off. I sell my vegetables at a local market. People love fresh, local produce that tastes authentic. I advertise on Instagram and Telegram. Social media brings me new customers every week. Customers pick up from my house. Sometimes I deliver. Orders are growing every week. I make about $1,000 a month. What started small has turned into a real source of income for me. It's not just income, it's health and joy. I grow food with my family, and we all benefit.